Hi guys, we just had the installation of the Mmbm volatility 100. Welcome to video 2. My name again is Odeyemi Akinyemi. So I'm going to be taking some trades, and in this trade, my first trade, if it is 1, I will put W, if it is lost, I will put L. So this is volatility 100. You can as well try it on volatility 75, but I'm not going to do that for now because I've only been doing it on this over 100. And I've already told you, okay, now 4, we are trading 4. Please be careful with this thing. Okay, good, let's trade. Good, let's trade. Keys trade it. Simple. We traded down. This is the strategy. As easy as ABC. Okay, 1. The first is 1. Isn't that simple? So here, I'm going to put W. If you are taking $5, you just made $4.71. $4. Having 4 consecutive 1, that's about $18, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Now, because the trend is down, I will click on rise, and I will be waiting patiently. Don't trade the zigzag, but when it's coming down that way, it's coming. Look at it. If it's going up moderately, if it's coming down moderately, but with the zigzag, you won't trade. Remember, I told you in the first video, I didn't take any trade. Okay, let me pause this. Now, look at it going up. No, not at all. See that? Not at all. The going up or coming down, the ascending or descending must be moderate. It must not be zigzag. It must not be zigzag. Don't trade zigzag trend. If you trade the zigzag because you want to okay, now look at this. Good, kissed. Just traded up. Just trade up. This is the second trade. Our aim is to have, it's not 1 again. Our aim is not to have 2 consecutive loss. Okay, and you can actually get that done with patience. The trend is up, I trade 4. Okay, once the trend is up, make sure you change this to 4 because you're trading down. That is very simple. Wait for it. Just banked how much now? About $8 plus, right? No, $9 plus. Simple. You have 2 trades, you make $9. You win 4 trades, you make $18. You make 5 trades, you make $20. Morning section, $20. Afternoon section, $20. Evening section, $20. Or just 2 sessions in a day, and you bank maybe like $25. It's very easy. I would have showed you this account, but this is demo because where I am, I cannot actually have this trader. I'm using IP. I changed my IP. Okay, now 4. Good. Let's see. So I want to verify myself before I deposit again. You know, I'm not a fan of binary.com. I've been trading my binary.com elsewhere. I've been trading my binary option on another broker using same changed IP. I got verified first before I transferred money, and it's been very good. Okay, so I have to contact them, do verification again, then I will not deposit. Then I'll fire on. Let me pause it. It's zigzag now. Zigzag, yeah. You can see it yourself. After we have had our 2 trades, you see what you are seeing? So at times we need patience, most especially in the afternoon. The trend is not always at our sides. I'm not going to trade because of the zigzag nature. I don't gamble. Don't gamble. So let's wait for normal trend, and that is what I'm teaching you. So let's see how it goes now. You see, it's normal. The way it is now presently, if you look at the tip, you see it's normal. Okay, downtrend, we are trading fall. Whenever the trend is up, we are trading fall. Don't forget, tick is 5, and I put stake instead of payout. I prefer stake. So let's see if it comes down this way. Let's see. Let's see the case of dollars. Yes, yes, yes. Does it? Yes, no, trade. One. This is the third winning consecutively. Okay? Nothing is hidden. Simple. Then I change this to rise. And I await the fourth trade. I await the fourth trade. Okay? Okay? Kissing. Kiss of dollars. Traded. Like see, oh, loss, 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 loss. Good. Okay. Loss. You can't win every time. Loss. So here, loss. So that is where the month gain comes in. The month gain will enable you to win back the loss and still make profit without exposing your account to danger. Okay? The next video is going to be explanation on how to use the martingale. We have the upper hand. So the next one is 4. So let's see how it's going. Descending. 2 colors descending. Is it gonna kiss? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, going down, kiss. Okay. We are avoiding 2 consecutive loss. One. And the function of the martingale, it takes us to 4 martingale level. Even at the 4th martingale level, it helps you to recoup your loss successfully without exposing your account to danger. When you have a trading system that wins more, at least if you have 70% winning, then you know. But let it be that the 30% loss is not consecutive. You have 10 trades. You don't want to have 3 trades lost consecutively at the worst of scenario. You don't want to do that. Okay? One. Let me have one more trade. Anyway, because the video is long already, let me just have one more trade. Rise. Okay? 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 Trade it. We want this. 1. So, well, 6 trades, 5 won, 1 loss. 80% for this money. But the income is 100%. never lost any. But if you like, you might not even martingale in this. You might not. Okay. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi remains my name. Money must be made. I love you all. Thank you and God bless you.